Augmentt Engage allows you to schedule offboardings. So now you don't have to wait until after hours on a Friday to offboard an employee that's leaving at the end of the week. To schedule a user offboarding, navigate to Engage. Then select the user you wish to offboard and click Offboard User. At the top of the window, there is a Schedule option. Once you select Schedule, you can select the day and time you wish to offboard the user. You can also select to receive notifications upon either successful or failed offboardings. And once the offboarding has been scheduled, you can view the status in the offboarding schedule in the left navigation. You can also cancel an offboarding if things change before the scheduled time.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.